What's up, guys? It's Two Guns Tony back at you with another moto vlog. And today it's not just a ride on a Pan America again. I did that video. You should go check that out. It's one of the most popular videos on my channel, so thank you everyone that watched that video, shared it, put a comment down below. Today we're going to talk about the lesser known features of this bike and why I think it's one of the most cost-effective, best deals on the market for a Harley-Davidson. Sorry I don't have my face cam, but I really want to focus on that infotainment system and all the features that it has. So we're going for tacos, and we're going to talk about the features of this bike that I love. All right, what's up, guys? Two Guns Tony. I'm back up here at Biggs Harley-Davidson. Let me see if I can get my framing right. There it is, Biggs Harley-Davidson. And today we're gonna do something similar but different. We're back on the Pan America. Get a quick walk around. And this is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna ride it, but today I wanna focus on some of the new features. I keep on talking in my videos about how this bike has a lot of great features that you don't see in Harley-Davidsons unless you're paying big money, big money. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that jumped out to me is this chain drive. The chain drive there, right? And you can see underneath the chain drive, we got a center stand. So this is the Pan America Special, the Pan America S. It's got the laced tubeless wheel tires, tires and wheels on it. This also has the adaptive ride height suspension, which we're gonna do a demonstration of. Dual front discs and your crash bars, sliders, whatever you want to call them. So let's get into it and let's look at some of these features. All right, again, so big shout out to Biggs Harley-Davidson for allowing me to come out here and put my camera on their bike and talk about their products. Thank you very much. Big shout out to Josh, who's also my connect here. If you are in the North County, San Diego area, or in Southern California, looking for a good deal on a Harley-Davidson, go see my buddy Josh, man, for sure. All right, let's get into it. All right, so one of the big complaints that I read on the internet or from people with this new Harley-Davidson is the ride height, right? I don't do the specs and all that, but you can visually look at it and it's obviously much taller than most Harley-Davidsons, and I think bikes in general. It's kind of a tall bike. Maybe I'll put somewhere a graphic that has the actual ride height. But the interesting thing about this is there's things that you can do before even starting the bike, before we even get into the active suspension part, to lower the seat on this bike. And I thought this was really interesting, so I'm gonna give you a demonstration of that right now. That syncs the audio right. Okay, here we go. So let's adjust the seat height, right? Let's check this out. I'll show you what we're doing here. So you get the key. Here's the key. It has the fob, right? But you also get this key. It looks like your standard fork lock, which it is. But it also opens up the seat. So there's a little bit of a... So it also opens up the seat on the left side of the bike. You have a key right here, keyhole. You can put the key in there, right? And when you turn it to the right, it unlocks the upper part of the seat. So let's see here. I'm gonna put this right here. Oh, the problems of being a solo moto vlogger. I need like 4 hands right now to do this job, man. This is crazy. All right, let's do this though. So I turn the key and the top will open up. You can see right there, uses a lock, right? By turning that key, it unlocks this top seat. You gotta turn the key and lift the seat at the same time. All right. I'm gonna redo this again over here, all right? Okay, so I come over here, I turn the key, and I lift the seat up, just like that. And the seat's off, okay? Let's put this down for a second. All right, there we go. Biggs Harley-Davidson, San Marcos, California. Now, here's the seat. It says demo, but let's lift it up. Now, here's underneath the seat, and you can see right here, this is how you can lower the seat by using these notches. And the notches match up right there. You see with my pinky finger, those notches. So if I put this notch on the lower notch, if I match those up, it lowers the seat height about an inch. Gives you another inch. So I can show you how it works. You fit it in right there. You want to come over, check it out the other side. You can see in there. I slide it in. I can put it there. You grab the top of the seat and you can put it right back on it, and it locks in, and you have a lower seat height now. All right? I'm gonna do it all together now at once so you can see me putting it back to the normal height, and then we'll go at it again. All right, all together this time. So here I am. I'm going to turn the key so I'm not blocking the camera. Turn the key and it unlocks the top of the seat. Take it off, set it to the side, and lift up on the main seat, and then I put it to the next one. Right up to the next one, right there. Bam. Put the next one on it. And just like that, it's back up to the stock advertised height. Excellent. So one thing about riding on the dirt that I've learned is you tend to get a little muddy, a little dusty under your boots, and you can slip on rubber pegs, right? You see the Pan America has these rubber pegs here for the passenger controls and the rider's controls, right? So an easy thing to do with these is you could actually take these off just like that, and you got this nice gritty moto style peg here, right? So when you go to stand up, you're not gonna be worried about slipping off the bike or your foot slipping in a crucial moment as you're getting into that forward sort of, to use an internet term, your attack riding position, right? That's a cool little feature there. I like that. All right, now for probably the trickiest thing, and I had to teach myself this again, but one of the coolest features is this infotainment center, right? And so I talked about this has navigation, has the ability to play music, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. All right, so I'm gonna record it on my iPhone here. So I got my iPhone, we're gonna record, and there'll be a screenshot, I'll have it somewhere down in here. And I'm gonna show you guys how to pair your phone and pair your headset. So I use a Cardo PackTalk Bold, or it's actually PackTalk Gold is the one that I have, and pair it to there so that you can hear music, control your music from here, and control your navigation from here without you know, having your phone mounted up here or something like that. That's unnecessary, gets in the way, or could even be distracting and, you know, cause something unfortunate to happen. Let's check it out. All right. All right, so you're gonna start off on your Bluetooth pairing on your phone. Okay. So let's see if I get this all done right. I don't know how well can we see what's going on there. All right. Let's turn the brightness up on the screen here and see if I can get it to show up a little bit better. So it's all going to be in the same menu. I'm going to go down here, appearance, screen brightness, and I'm just going to turn it all the way up. And there we go. So there's the screen brightness all the way up. There we go. So hopefully you can see everything here. All right, so let's check this out now. I'm gonna go down to Bluetooth, and we're going to pair. All right, there's your phone list. We're gonna add a new phone. All right, let's do this again because I messed it up. So now I'm recording on my phone, and let's add a new phone. So here we go, I'm on my Bluetooth screen here waiting for a device to pop up, add new devices. It's gonna search for the phone. And there it is, it found my phone. So we're gonna hit OK. This is using the left controls. So there you go. It wants to pair. And I have now paired. Again, there's my phone name, Never Forgot Harambe. All right, excellent. So now the phone is paired. So let's go over here now. You can see that it's paired as you look down here, the Bluetooth. You'll see there's a dot under it. It shows you that we are paired. So let's look at the navigation now, sorry. Let's go to navigation. There it is, it's loading. Now this navigation, we're gonna talk about a little bit more, but it runs off of the Harley-Davidson app, which I did a review of. So we're gonna do a demonstration of the navigation in just a little bit. But now we're paired. Let's talk about getting your headset paired up. All right, guys. Here's my Simpson Ghost Bandit Ponyboy Edition. And I got the Cardo Pack Talk Black on there. So we're gonna pair this device to that GPS so that I can hear the music, control the music, and hear my navigation all through that unit. Let's check it out. Okay, so the same thing here, and I apologize for the audio as my microphone is now in my helmet, but we're going to go into how to pair the Cardo to the system, all right? So let's look at it. This one you don't need to use your phone on. This is purely coming off of the controls on your Cardo and working with this device. I'll take a picture and I'll put it somewhere where you guys can see it. So let's look at it. So again, we'll go to the page for settings. There we go, select the settings page, and we'll go down to Bluetooth. And now there's this thing down here, add new headset. Okay, so we're gonna add a new headset. Now I gotta set my headset to pair. So every system's different, the Sun is different. For this one, I need to hold for 5 seconds. And then I need to hit, there it is. And then I need to hit twice. There we go, roll it for its GPS. There it is, hit select, and now I have it. All right. And now I got music playing in my headset off this right off the bat, and my phone is still here, still connected right there. And you can see I did it right because down here in the lower right you'll see I have a headset icon and I have my Bluetooth icon set up, right? All right, now we're gonna go get some food. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so I'm here on my phone and it's recording, and we're gonna set a destination on the Harley-Davidson app. So I'm hungry, I want some tacos. We're going to the taco bar. Taco bar right there, Las Posas, right? Now this is a little confusing, send to bike, take me there. You actually wanna use take me there. You do the take me there, and then you hit start, let's ride. And when I go to the navigation, right there, I'm already on it, right? So I can now take my phone and put it in my pocket. And my music is playing. I'll show you that in just a second. So there's the navigation. It's telling me where to go. Let's look at the music now. Let's see here. Right there, Trivium and Waves. All right. Let's go get some tacos. All right. You see the navigation stays up at the top. Well, now you can see that the navigation's still up at the top, letting me know where to go. I mean, can you see why I want this bike? Like, why this is definitely going to be my next bike, 100%. So there you go. It's telling me to turn right. So let's get out here. All right, I got the tacos. We're heading back to Biggs Harley-Davidson. I hope I shared some useful information with you. I hope you learned something, maybe that you didn't know or you didn't see exactly how it worked in this video. If you like this content, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. I'm always in the comment section. I love talking to my viewers, getting new ideas for videos, doing things like that. And I can't say this enough, how good Biggs Harley-Davidson has been to me. Dude, they don't pay me. I'm not on their staff or anything like that. And I definitely don't, you know, get like any big discounts or anything like that. Or it's just a good motorcycle dealership, good Harley-Davidson dealership that wants to see people on bikes. They want to sell bikes. They want more Harleys out there. And I'm grateful that they let me get in there on a continuous basis and bring you this type of content using their inventory and their products. There's a reason why I've been buying bikes for Biggs, ever since I began riding. So again, big shout out to my buddy Josh over here at Biggs. Thanks for watching. I upload every Thursday, stream on Twitch, and I'm on Instagram. Check me out there. Take it easy, keep the shiny side up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.